Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Cash App history and is it possible? Well, basically, the truth is that you cannot fully delete transaction history on Cash App. All payments are permanently recorded for security and legal reasons, but you can hide, limit, or reset what people see. Here's how. Method one, you have to clear visibility by closing your account, like full reset. And how are you going to do that? This is the only way to completely remove visible history from your profile. So, step by step, one, you need to open your Cash application. Two, tap your profile icon. Three, scroll down, tap support. And then four, tap something else. Five, scroll, and then you have to look for account settings. Now, tap close your app, or let's just say tap close your application and follow the prompts to confirm. Now, what happens? Your account is deleted. Your transaction history is no longer accessible. You can create a new account with a fresh history. Now, if you don't want to delete your account, then method two, you can hide transactions from others. That means increase privacy. Even though you can't delete them, you can make them private. So step by step, you need to open your Cash application. You need to tap on profile icon. Now you need to tap privacy and security. And then after that, turn off. Allow others to find you. Turn off also public transactions if available. So done with method one, method two, and method three. Now remove payment contacts. It's cleaner activity view. This doesn't delete history, but it makes your activity look cleaner. Steps: open a transaction, tap the contact name, block or remove them. Now, method four, clear search and notifications. So, what you're going to do is you have to open Cash App application and then clear app cache. If you're using Android settings, and then you can just basically turn off notifications, go to settings and notifications, Cash App, look for clear app cache, and then tap that one. Now, method five, create a new account. So basically, fresh start without closing old one. If you don't want to close your main account, you can log out of Cash application and then sign up with a new email and number. Use that account going forward. So in that case, you have other account and then you also have an old account. So important tips, deleting the application does not delete history. Transactions are stored by Block Inc., Cash App's parent company. Law enforcement and support can still access past records. We still have the last step or the method six, and that is to download and review, then remove your data before deleting account. So this is a smart final step before closing your account so you don't lose important records while still clearing your visible history. Step by step, open your Cash App, tap your profile icon, scroll and tap support. Now you have to look for tap something else and then select account settings. After that, tap download your account data and then follow the instructions to request your data. So what happens? Probably you will receive a file, usually via email, with your transaction history, account details. Once saved, you can safely proceed with method one, and that is to close account. So, why this matters? It prevents losing proof of payments or receipts and useful for taxes, disputes, or future references. So, basically, updated final flow. You can adjust privacy settings, clean app context activity. This one is optional. You can use a new account, download your data, which is method six, close your account for full reset. Now, method seven, as your last resort, you can contact customer service. So, if you can't hide what you need or you're having account issues, your final option is to contact Cash App support directly. Step by step, you need to open your Cash App, tap your profile icon, Scroll down, tap support, tap something else, choose account settings or privacy and security. Now scroll down and tap contact support. Then select chat with support or request email help. You can say, I want to improve my account privacy and understand what options I have for managing visible transaction history. Can you guide me on limiting what others can see on my account? Look for other way than deleting cache app history because that is not possible. So even though it's not possible, there are other methods on how to clear, or let's just say clear visibility of your history by closing your account, hide transactions, remove payment contacts, clear search notifications, create a new account, and so on. They cannot delete transaction history, but they can help secure your account, guide privacy settings, assist with account closure if needed. So basically, these are the ways on how to possibly not delete Cash App history, but at least give you ways on how to minimize or how to hide or limit or reset what people see. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.